This CPU costs about 9 lakhs. So can you guess how much the entire PC costs and who is actually buying it? Let's find out. Before that, let's see why it's so expensive. This is the Threadripper 9985WX. It has 64 cores and 128 threads. Yes, 64 cores. And its big brother, the 9995WX, comes with 96 cores. So whether it is rendering movies like Dune or Avatar, or just a simple multi-acre shopping mall, it can be done blazing fast. It also has 8 memory channels. That means that you can go up to 2 TB in RAM sizes. The motherboard is a Gigabyte TRX50 Aero D. The processor has a TDP of 350 watts and it is unlocked, meaning it also supports overclocking. These motherboards can only be fit on cases that support the A80X standard case like the Corsair 5000D frame. It has 128 PCI 5.0 lanes for that extremely high-end multiple 8K input for those sports matches with 100 cameras. And to power it all, we have used a 1200 watt power supply. But depending on other components, we have sometimes even used 2000 watt power supplies in other systems. Be it enterprise level companies who stream sports with crores of people watching, or VFX studios or construction firms who need the raw processing power and accuracy to render big projects, they rely on these massive core count processors for reliability, accuracy, and speed. And the simple truth is, the people who buy this make far more money than what this system costs. So yeah, if you're someone who's interested in having something like this, you'd probably not be watching these reels. Just give us a call and shout out to AMD for providing us with this processor.